In the stark contrast of black and white, fallen leaves symbolize life's inevitable cycles. Each leaf, a warrior, faces nature's fury, surrendering to the ground, forming a tapestry of resilience. These remnants, once vibrant, return nutrients to the soil, nurturing the next generation. The harsh winds, winter's chill, and relentless rains strip away the old, yet from this decay, new life emerges. Philosophers reflect on this cycle, understanding that endings lead to beginnings. In silence, the forest breathes, as the roots deepen and the earth prepares for rebirth. Embrace the beauty in this cycle, for in every fall, there lies the promise of renewal and strength.